In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable inventory tracking on Shopify. First, let's cover the process for a single product. Start by navigating to products in your Shopify admin. Once you're there, click on the name of the product you want to track so you can open its product details page. Scroll down until you find the inventory section. This is where Shopify keeps your stock controls. In that section, check the box next to Track Quantity to tell Shopify you want it to reduce inventory when sales occur. Then, in the quantity field, enter the number of items you currently have in stock. Make sure this number matches your physical count to avoid overselling. After you've entered the correct quantity, click Save to apply the change. That's all it takes for a single product: track quantity set and stock level recorded. Now, if you need to enable inventory tracking for multiple products at once, there's a faster method using the bulk editor. Go to Products in your Shopify admin and select the products you want to edit using the checkboxes alongside each product name. With your product selected, click Edit Products to open the bulk editor interface. In the bulk editor, click Columns and add the track quantity and quantity fields to your view, so both options are visible for every product you're editing. For each product shown, check the Track Quantity box to enable tracking. Then enter the stock levels in the quantity column for each item, again ensuring these numbers reflect your actual inventory. When you've finished adjusting quantities, click Save to commit all changes at once. Throughout either method, a couple of practical tips will help. Always confirm that the numbers you enter are based on a recent stock take. Inaccurate counts can lead to stockouts or overselling. If you're changing many products, work in small batches to reduce errors. And double-check the quantity column in the bulk editor before saving. And remember that enabling track quantity means Shopify will automatically adjust inventory as orders come in, so keep your counts updated after receiving new stock. Follow these steps exactly as shown to enable inventory tracking quickly and reliably, either for one product or many at once. With tracking turned on and accurate quantities entered, your store will be better equipped to manage stock and keep customers satisfied.